Welcome back. Now Snagit will organize and arrange all of the captures that you have done with the program, even in previous versions. And all you'll need to do is to go to your library area that you see on the left side. And if you click on switch to library, what you're going to see is that Snagit will arrange those captures in terms of images. So if you click on the images link, what you're going to see is you're going to see all of the images that you have on your personal computer, on your hard drive associated with Snagit. You're also going to see any videos that you have created using Snagit, as well as any animated GIFs that you have used the capture program to create. You'll also see your captures organized by those that are going to be the most recent. You'll see them organized by date. And then you'll have a date organized selection of your captures here, and you'll see them organized by year. And if you go to the drop-down menu, you'll see them organized by month. You'll also be able to see any captures that you have associated with specific applications. So for example, if you took screen captures of Microsoft PowerPoint, you'll be able to see those captures here in this area. And if you have captures associated with specific websites, you'll see them here organized by website. And what you'll see here is the importance of using tags on your images. So if you want to tag your images, you'll be able to easily find them by coming to your library. So if we go back to your editor and we come back to the image on our canvas, what we can do is we can click the assign a tag link and we can assign a specific tag. We'll click this create a new tag, and then if we go back to our library and we check our tags, we'll see our tag organizing our image. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.